Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 10th class 14th lesson, right? India, national movement in India, partition and independence. The national movement in India, partition and independence in 1939 to 1947. See, the national movements, what kind of the national movements happen in the between the 1939 to 1947? Right? Then what are the causes for this national movement? What are the main reason of the this kind of national movement happened in between the 39 to 47? And the partitions. See, the before in 1947 we have the United India, Pakistan is a one country, that is the India is a Bharat, right? And Bangladesh also. But after 1947 we have the made a partition due to the many mistakes, due to the many kind of the participated, like we have the Nehru, Gandhi, Jinnah, all those things where the India has participated. One is the Pakistan and another is the India, right? Among them Pakistan, the Bangladesh we have called East India, East Pakistan, right? This is the India. Oh, it doesn't look like India, right? See, this is the India we have. But before we are independence, this area also we have the India, right? But after 1947, the 1947 one country was formed as is the Pakistan. The Pakistan and Bangladesh, nowadays Bangladesh is called East Pakistan. East Pakistan. But we made formed 1971 Bangladesh formed with the help of the India. Is the 1971 India Pakistan war happened. In the war the Pakistan was defeated by the India, and then we created the separate country Bangladesh, right? This kind of the partitions happen in the India as a Pakistan, right? India is divided two parts. One is the Pakistan, another one is the India, and finally we get independence. When we get independence, 1947 August 15th. When we got independent, 1947 August 15th we got, right? See here, should the war be supported by Indians or not? This is the big question. Should the Indians supported a war in the World War II? What was the period of 1930-1942? But World War II period was 1939 to 1945 happened due to the Mr. Hitler. Due to the Mr. Hitler, right? This is a war happened. So in this term, India is supported war or not? This is the biggest question. When Indians supported to the Britishers, right? We have to support Britishers. We have to support the war for the Britishers, right? Britishers side. See, but on that time, the 1939-1942, what kind of the political situation we have here? What kind of the situation have in India? We'll discuss. See, on that time, the Indian, we have the one important party, that is the Indian National Congress. Not nowadays Indian National Congress, not Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi's Congress. Is the Indian National Congress is formed by the 1885 by AOU. This party is only agenda to get the independence. We have to get independence from the Britishers. But nowadays we have all those kind of these things in the National Congress. But here is the INC, Indian National Congress. These people, those who are the Indian National Congress, those people is the ruler, is the governor by the as a minister. Is the governor by the as a minister. But is under control of the Britishers. Under control of the Britishers. But the Britishers made one act, is the Government of India. Government of India Act 1935, right? Government of India Act 1935. According to Act, they given chance to the you can rule yourself, you can govern yourself, you can rule on the governance yourself. You can rule at the governance yourself to your country. But that kind of the government, this kind of the rule of the government is under control of the Britishers. Not to the you have to have right and all those things. You can the government, you can rule your country. It is under control by the Britishers. And according to this act, they given the election. They given the Elections, they wants to conduct elections among those the party, those who are on the time the party we have they want to conduct elections and they given no right to vote See, on that time the India has divided as a provinces. What is meant by provinces? Provinces mean states. Provinces means states. In the India is divided as the provinces. This kind of the elections held in the 11 provinces. See, in the 11 provinces, according to the government of the Indian Act 1935, the election held in the 1937. When according to the government of Indian Act 1935, which was given the made by the law, the Indian gain the right to vote and they can rule themselves. So among them we have the election held in the 1937 to the 11 provinces. But among them the 11 provinces, not only all people have the right to vote, right? Only 1% people have vote to the Central Assembly. And 12%, only among them all we have the population, among them 1% vote people has to get a vote in the Central Assembly, only 1%, and 12% people has to be vote assembly in provincial assembly. Provincial assembly. See, is not all over the Indian people not getting the vote none. Why? Because due to on the time the period, those who are the rich people, those who are the landlords, those who are the politically influenced, this all kind of the people they have to vote only Central Assembly and the provincial assembly. See, the election happened held in the 1937. Among them the 11 states, among them the 11 provinces, the INC owned 8 states, right? INC owned 8 provinces and they made a prime minister. They made each provinces as a prime minister. Prime minister means nowadays you can say the CM. Nowadays you can say the CM, but on that time we call the prime minister. And among them the three, the Muslim League and the Justice Party. Muslim League and the Justice Party own the 3 states. See, in the right state having this happened. Now we have the biggest question: should the party is the support to the war or not? This war or not? See, among them, if the support, the Britishers want to the support. Why? Because those who are the World War II is the divided group is the Germany, Japan, and the Italy. Germany, Japan, and the Italy. They have the aggressive nationalism and they invade all over the country. Japan is the Japan that almost occupied 80% of the area of the Asia, including the China, including the Korea, including the Burma and Andaman and Nicobar also, right? Andaman, Nicobar also, the Andaman Nicobar Island also occupied by the Japan. And another hand, the Germany almost 80% of the Europe occupied, all those Poland, Finland, all those things are occupied by the Germany. So Britishers want to help Indians. Britishers want to get a help from the Indians to support them in the World War. See, why? Because they have the kind of the ideology. The ideology have the fascist ideology and the invent ideology this here. But you can see the one hand, Britishers want to fight against this kind of ideology, those who are the occupied these countries, right? But Britishers, what we doing here? Britishers are doing already occupied the India, is made a colony and the ruling India and the want support to these Indians to fight against those who are the occupying the other countries. They are doing same here, but they want to do against those who are doing this is wrong. When it comes to here, this wrong. When it comes to here, it doesn't wrong anything. To seems to Britishers. So that's why the Congress divided two parts. One group they want to support Britishers, and another group they doesn't want to support the Britishers. Right? So see, in this time, see what will happen. This kind of the conflict happen in the Congress. But one hand, on that time, the British have two parties. One is the Labour Party and another one is the Conservative Party. One is the Labour Party, another one is the Conservative Party. We have the Britishers. The Conservative Party, they doesn't want to dismantle all those things, the empire which is made by the Britishers in all over in the 52 countries in the Asia and the Africa. They doesn't want to dismantle this empire. Why? Because they wants to rule more and more, and they doesn't want to give the independence to those countries. But when it comes to the Labour Party, the Labour Party to the favor of the gave the independence to the India. But on that time in 1939, on that time, the Britishers ruling by the Conservative Party is the PM is Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill, right? Winston Churchill. The Winston Churchill is the ruling by the PM on that time the Conservative Party. On that time the Conservative Party. See that they wants to they give the support the Britishers, but they wants to they give the not independence, but they wants to give the Dominion state. Right? Dominion state. What does mean by the Dominion state? You have to rule. You can have your own national flag, national anthem, all those things. You have to survive. You have to rule yourself. You are independent country, but under control of the Queen. Under control of the Queen. See, under control of the Queen. In nowadays, we have many countries under control of the Dominion state, right? Dominion state, but you have to rule under control of the Queen. So, but India doesn't want this kind of the Dominion state. Indian wants the complete independence, the full independence from the Britishers, full independence from the Britishers. But they doesn't have this kind of the state. Then we came to another plan. Why? Because they doesn't want to give the independence. Why? Because the INC, Indian National Congress, doesn't have that capacity to rule by the all over the Indians. Why? Because Indians have the different communities. Different communities. The INC doesn't have interest in the other community except from the Hindus. Why? Because this kind of the Indian have the India and Hindus and the Muslim in India, right? The Winston Churchill, those the Britishers said the INC doesn't have concern about the Muslims. That's why we are not giving to the independence. This is called the one of the reasons. This is called the one of the reasons. See, but when this kind of the announcement made by the Britishers, then the Congress Party gave the right. Then Congress Party decided to the way the fully in this time when we go to the movement, then Britishers will be come down. Why? Because Britishers will be busy with the fighting World War II. So in this moment we have to the movement is a very strongly, then Britishers will give independence to us. The kind of Congress Party decided, and finally they given their we have the 8 prime ministers here. 8 prime ministers they get resigned. They 8 prime minister resigned in the 1939 and they started with the movement. This state 1939 started with the movement. Right? This is the what Indians supported or not, this has to be decided, right? This has to be decided. Next session we'll discuss the Muslim League and those RSS and Hindu Mahasabha and who will beat India movements, all those things we'll discuss next session. I hope you understood. Thank you.